Hi guys, this is Prabhakaranyam. I am going to run my project. My project title is EAACK, a secure intrusion detection system. This is VMware workstation. My project runs under Linux family, Fedora. Loading the OS file. In wide distribution, data may be unsecured. So now I am going to assign some witness node. This node going to identify original source and duplication. Mobile attack network. For this purpose, in this word derived from Latin. Linux is the open source OS in the world, and also it is one of the secured OS compared to others. Fedora is one of the flavor of Linux family. Localhost to run. I am going to enter my username. My username is Ramesh, and then enter the password. Open the logon to OS. Now I am going to open my computer and then file system, then going to temporary file. Already I developed my codings. This is coding directory, and then copy that file. I'm going to command prompt like in Windows command prompt, in Linux terminal cd space, paste the directory, then path equal to x path. This command used to run my coding for simulation coding, and then going to bin and copy this location. After that I am going to command prompt, paste the location. Then I am going to compile my program. ns space existing dot tcl existing dot tcl, enter, loading the nodes and everything. And after that I am going to compile, run my project. Name existing dot num. This is simulation window. Now I am going to start my simulation. Wave this full screen. File, wave full screen. Start my project. My project have 6 modules. First module is a network construction. Second module is code algorithm. Third module is witness distribution. Fourth module verification of random number. Fifth module verification of user ID, and sixth module cloning detection and data transfer. First module is network construction. This is network construction, and all the nodes communicate for each other. In mobile attack network, maybe sender also receiver also sender, like that bidirectional process. it is no need to fixed architecture. It may be bidirectional process. Due to communication, witness node identify location ID, process ID, everything. Code algorithm generated neighbor node information collecting due to communication. In that algorithm collecting location ID, user ID, and then MAC ID, IP address, like that, and then assign or on duplication ID of witness node. Every time communicate to each other, that time witness node going to identify this is the original node, this is the duplication node. After that, sometime identify clone nodes mean that the data going to black. Random verification of random ID models. In this model, sometime maybe same ID, like that. So we can't able to identify exact one. This is the original. So that we are move on user ID. User ID in the sense in the world everyone having unique ID. So that we are move on ID. It is the best exact one. In that ID used to identify exact this is the original node. Every location ID identified. In first network identify clone node, fifth node. This node acting like a third node. This node going to access third node information and communicate to server like a third node. So that witness node uh, block those information. So fifth node can't able to communication to other nodes. In another network running, wait, we'll see which is the clone node going to detect in another network construction. Yeah, 14th node. In the network construction, 14th node is a clone node. This node acting like a 12th node. This is the clone node. So server can't able to communicate to 14th node. This is duplication of data. Witness node tell to server this is the clone node, so don't send any information those node. This is my network simulation project. Network simulation version 2. It is the best tool for simulation purpose. We see third node location ID 14.00. I am coming to fifth node. After communication, fifth node location for same 14,0,1. This is the clone node for network construction 1. In another network construction, 14th node is the clone node. So witness node tell to server these all are the clone nodes, so block those information. In the world, network simulation version 2 is the best tool going to power of the system.